Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your MetaMask password. It's important to understand that MetaMask doesn't have a traditional change password feature. Instead, you'll need to reset your wallet entirely and then re-import it using your secret recovery phrase. This method is the only way to establish a new password for your existing MetaMask account. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can secure your wallet with a fresh password. Before proceeding, ensure you have your 12-word secret recovery phrase written down and stored safely. This phrase is the master key to your wallet and all its assets. If you lose it, you will lose access to your funds permanently. Double-check that every word is correct and in the right order. This step is absolutely critical for the success of the entire process. Now, log out of your MetaMask extension or mobile application. On the login screen, choose the Import Wallet option. Carefully enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase, ensuring accuracy. After successfully entering the phrase, you will be prompted to create a brand new password. Make sure this new password is strong and unique, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the ultimate key to your funds, so keep it extremely secure and never share it. Always use a strong, unique password for your MetaMask wallet, ideally one that is at least 16 characters long. Regularly review your security practices to protect your digital assets. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.